Hey peepers, in 2025 we are living in a world where everything is online. From groceries to gold, you can buy it all with just one click. So imagine this, there's a fashion brand that doesn't sell anything online. No app, no website, no checkout buttons. And yet it becomes one of India's fastest growing fashion brands. This is the story of how Zudio quietly, smartly and confidently built a fashion empire without even touching e-commerce. It all started back in 2016. The Tata Group's fashion arm, Trent Limited, launched a new brand, Zudio. Now, this wasn't just another clothing label. Zudio had a clear goal: serve India's youngest shoppers, Gen Z, with affordable, trendy fashion. But here's where the story gets interesting. Instead of going online, Zudio went old school. No website, no online store, just physical shops. Crazy, right? Especially for a generation that practically lives on Instagram and YouTube. So why would a brand aimed at a Gen Z, a super internet savvy generation, not to go online? Well, here's the twist. 80% of India's Gen Z lives in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. And while these young people have big dreams, they don't always have access to affordable, fashionable clothing. Online shopping in those towns is still not as smooth or reliable as it is in metros. Return rates are high, logistics are messy, and fashion options pretty limited. So, Zudio made a bold move. Instead of chasing clicks, they chased locations. By 2025, 85% of Zudio stores are in non-metro cities, even in places like Delhi and Mumbai. They skipped fancy areas like South Delhi or South Bombay. Why? Because Zudio knew their core customer. The young and price-conscious shopper wasn't buying from the posh zones. They were in working class neighborhoods, student hubs, and fast growing small cities. Zudio didn't care about looking premium, they cared about being accessible. If you have been to Zudio store, you'll know what I'm talking about. T-shirt starts at 200 rupees, shoes starts at 500 rupees, and jeans under 700. And in a country where many young adults earn less than 10,000 rupees a month, this isn't just good pricing, it's a lifesaver. For Gen Z, affordability isn't a feature, it's a need, and Zudio nailed it. Unlike other retail chains that sells dozens of different brands, Zudio sells only Zudio. This is what really helps them. Keeping the cost low, having control over quality, building a strong and consistent brand identity. And guess what? Gen Z actually values loyalty and clear branding more than most people think. What's the big picture here? Now, here's what it gets even smarter. While Zudio dominates the Gen Z, budget-friendly space, Trent also runs Westside, a slightly more premium brand. So, while Zudio is dressing college kids and fast jobbers, Westside is dressing old siblings and parents. Same parent company, different strategies, and maximum impact. This is quite a revolution. In a time where brands are burning money on influencer marketing, Zudio took the opposite path and it worked out. Because they understand one thing most of the brands forget. If you know your customer well and you focus all your energy on serving them well, you don't just need to be everywhere. You just need to be at the right place. And that's the story of Zudio. From offline only to fashion domination, this isn't just a retail strategy, it's a masterclass in focus. So here's your takeaway. If you're building something, don't follow trends blindly. Find your audience, solve their problem, and stay true to what actually works. Believe in it and build it. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. And if you want to keep watching such videos, let us know in the comment sections.